Hello. Welcome to my stream number 69 from my at least 152 days stream challenge. Today is my reflection week when I work a lot from office. Today I haven't worked at office, but also I spent not much time at home, or while spending time at home I don't switch on my computer a lot. So basically live not like I used to, not like with computer together, but slightly taking some rest of it. And in a week I will have some vacation, so we'll have even more rest than before. As usual, I'll say you that if you attracted by those video title, description, keyword or whatever, you can check video sections below, which contains video chapters or sections with proper titles, so you can jump right into the topic you want. But most probably today we'll don't have much diverse topics because it's reflection week. I start with my reflection. Today I have a cleansing day. Yesterday, I asked my wife to give me some pills for start cleansing process in my liver. And as well all so it's not starting only on liver, but also on all the system. It's called digestive system, on all digestive system. And it was fine yesterday. I get up also normally. Then we have some coffee pretty late, and we did some coffee again, just so everyone could understand. I try not to eat much bad food. What I mean bad, I mostly not eat meat. I could maybe sometimes eat something containing meat, maybe once a week or once per several weeks. Sometimes maybe even once a month, if not even less usual. So normally I don't eat meat, but if circumstances are that I that I have to, or if I could hurt someone, if I don't try it or whatever. So there are different situations. With some people I could easily say, okay, I'm sorry, I'm don't eat meat. But with others, I understand that it would be some problem for that. And because I'm not very strict in that point, I prefer not to be strict on every point, unless not hurting people on purpose, not doing some bad things, so on and so on. So as well, I normally don't eat too heavy food, so I like salads, yogurts, fruits, vegetables. I start my day with banana, with yogurt, and with some coffee. I prefer not to live without coffee, but I don't drink coffee all the time. I also like a lot tea, different types of tea, especially with some herbs which I now garden, like mint, basil, melissa, and so on and so on. So I like all of that. And if I need to eat, I try to eat what my wife eats. She's on some kind of diet, so she never eat too much of bad food because it would be hurtful for you, for your health. So yeah, not the worst, I mean, eater. I couldn't say I eat just salads. So sometimes I could, especially I like some sweet. I could eat, piece of chocolate or some nice sweeties. But again, I try not to eat much of it. So I just try not eat up to be full. And anyway, once we drink some coffee, and even for coffee, because we like latte, I take in almond milk and mostly without sugar, almond milk and some coffee. We just drink, some kind of latte. And yeah, basically that's it. Because we don't have any more bananas. We need to go to a grocery store to buy it. I have few banana chips and I eat it as well. And then it started. I don't remember I have such bad time recently. So yeah, it was pretty awful experience. It was a lot of pain and it was very bad feelings in everywhere, in all the body, in your liver, in your whole digestion system, even in your throat, in your mind, what is worse actually. But the one thing which helped me a lot during that process is that, oh gosh, how many hard but not needed food do I have? And basically I understand that it's true for not only me, for most of the people. I right now see it's very clearly that a lot of people just eating food which is not, so eating much more food than they really need. They eat much more than to be healthy, to feel that they are full, or they receive all the vitamins, all the nature power. So they eat not only for just feel that they energized enough from the food, but much more, much more. Oh, and I didn't done such type of cleansing for a long time, at least for a year, even not more, and it was very awful. And yeah, after that you feel weakness mostly the whole day, so you need to drink, don't eat anything, because the only thought about eating something is hurting you. Yeah, so, and I feel that once I did that, again, I haven't finished that all procedures yet, because my wife is as well nutritionist, so she know how to do it properly. It's multi-step process. So initially you clean your liver, and it's not happening just in few hours. You should take a lot of cleansing pills day before, evening before, then it will start acting maybe 12 hours later, and then it will act maybe for the whole day. So I could say the distance between when it started and when it ended more than 10 hours. Yes, and then you just need to complete cleansing of everything else. And yeah, so you don't have any toxicology poisoning next day, something like that. So yeah, it's all taking time, but from other side, I feel much better after that. Even if it was like painful experience, I feel that now I have, like, I clean not only something in my digestive system, but also something which consumes some of my energy. So I feel much more free to new knowledge, free to new energies, free to new adventures. So it was pretty important experience. And if you feel some kind of weight, like unneeded weight in your belly or in your body, yeah, probably you can do that. I wouldn't recommend you do the same way as I did, so I will not provide any recipe here, but you could read, you can ask maybe your doctor, or yeah, advice with someone, because there are so many situations that some YouTube blogger, even very full of wisdom, couldn't provide advice which will work for everyone in that matter. So yeah, but it's just a good advice to keep yourself more or less clean, especially if you eat a lot of not healthy food. And these days, most of us eat a lot of not healthy food. By healthy, I would name just maybe most of the fruits, most of the vegetables in raw form. So like if we're talking about vegetable like potato, all the potato chips, it's already not raw form, not good food. As well, potato in many other forms like mashed potato or grilled potato, and so on and so on. Even if it sounds delicious, yeah, it's not good. Meat, probably no meat is good, and so on and so on. Yeah, I know I'm talking about some things which not everyone could accept, but okay, I'm not providing you advice on your diet, but on cleansing, and from the point of preserving more life energy and having more potential. I feel that it's quite important, and I'm doing that exercise, and I feel a big change. So yeah, it's just my experience. It's changing a lot. Okay, so I think that was the main in a hour we'll start a day of, I don't know how to call it. Let's transition. The day of autumnal equinox.
The day of the autumnal
Yeah,
equinox.
it's telling me somewhere, maybe in one of my headphones. So yeah, it's a day when I believe when the time of the day equals time of the night. So day-night equality in the autumn. We have the similar day in the spring, and we have 2 days when the day is longest in the summer and the night is longest in the winter. But tomorrow, September 22nd, it's a day of when day and night are equal, and it's pretty important day in all the spiritual techniques. So I wouldn't share any of you with you, because again, I'm not a big expert in that. But what is important is to pass live the day in calm, in harmony, probably as any other day, but tomorrow just keep more attention to that, because it would be quite important, because a human life, human life rhythms, they connected very tightly to our planet, to the earth, to moon, to sun. And when there is a special day on the earth, when day equals night, and then it would be changed, it's also a special day for all the humans. And it's a day when a human should be especially should pay special attention to how they live those days, like even more than in any other days. Okay, so basically on that we probably will finish our official program. I understanding that I just haven't sufficient time to do some of the things I want to do before, not before, but like some projects. I'm trying to see if I have some projects about which I showed you before, when I could upload a file and it will create automatic description, create video section, create not bad transcription, and suggest something like as a title, as keywords, etc. But to do that, I need to download the file, which I already doing, and I need to go here, execute it, and then update it, because I executing it on some very low cost or free cost Azure space. It takes some time. So, and as a result, I'm way behind of updating my stream schedule, stream things. So I'm just thinking about to add my user here as a, okay, let's see. We could have some users here. Okay, and let's add new user, and new user would be that one, which is romantic developer. Hello. Now we returned here. Stakeholder. What is the better? Stakeholder? Maybe Visual Studio subscriber. Add the projects. Oh, AI helper. And what would be that projects? Okay. And then we add as a project contributor, project administrator, add. To do. Okay, hopefully we don't need that anymore. Let's see if we were able to add a user. Some of the ads. Okay, I have been invited. Join now. And now we could join as romantic developer. And okay, romantic developer, continue. Maybe it would be, oh, I'm still on different language. My visualstudio.com. welcome, confirm. Nice. For any accounts joining to myvisualstudio.com, you see they provide 1 month of LinkedIn learning for free, which is pretty cool. So, and also we could use free credit for Azure for $200 for 1 month or for 1 year. Okay, let's go to here. Get started. Continue. Romantic developer. Let's just try romantic developer, United States, NXPS. I decided to go through the sign-in experience, full sign-in experience. Why? Because yeah, probably I need to accept something. So we created devazure.com here, which is for us romantic developer, and basically it's completely free. We could have like 1,000 projects, a lot of work items, tags. Yeah, I'm not sure about the limits of storage here, but surely we could add and invite some users. In free version of that, probably we could add at least 5 users, if I'm not wrong. So no other directories to switch. Let's try accept it once again. Join. Okay, it's my organization. Interesting. Let's switch back. Let's manage user. Basic. YouTube helper. Save. Basic. Okay, and let's say recent invite. Let's go here. Welcome. Okay, it's about our personal workspace. And here again, we have been invited. Check out romantic developer reorganization. Okay, join now. Oh no. Romantic developer stream. It coming to our access. Romantic developer stream. gmail.com. Maybe. Let's see. Romantic developer without dot stream. What if we just remove that dot here? Maybe it's because of the dot. Yeah, probably today I'm not having time to actually update the code into any publishing of it. spam. Oh, it's spam. Report not spam. Confirm. Manage profile. How I should confirm? Let's refresh. Contact emails. Okay, now let's start to welcome. No, invited. Join now. Again, it says that it's romantic.developer.whatever. So let's try to sign out, close all the things. Okay, join now. Romantic developer stream. Next. Why it's not providing me any password? You know, maybe it's too complex. Join now. Let's come here and just add user. Okay, we added another user which is romantic.developer.stream and romantic.developer.stream. Maybe it's important. Maybe it's important. Let's refresh. I still don't have status. Romantic developer. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. Still slightly struggling with that thing. Okay. Romantic.developer.stream. Switch directory. We don't have any other directories. If we go here and look all our organizations, profile, romantic.developer.stream, save. Okay. Now we have everything. Let's just create a first project. It would be agile, basic. Okay, it's our first project. No, we don't want to add new organization. What if we want just to join this one? romanticdevelopers.streamgmail.com. Okay, remove from organization, remove from organization. Do I have that project here? Maybe if I'll go here and say invite. Oh, romantic developer. Romantic developer stream has not been assigned to access level. We will attempt to assign stakeholder. Add details. Come on, we couldn't invite. Okay, if you go to organization settings, to users, let's try to change access level like this one, Visual Studio Enterprise subscriber. I have no idea what that means. And let's just assign some project to that user. Okay, try and again. You've been invited. Join now. Just interesting why we couldn't join. And join would be some, just go to that URL with some context. Oh, change access level. This will be validated. Okay, basic. Let's use basic. Basic looks like the proper one. Basic. Okay, and we just say manage user, basic, project administrator, save. Bam. And view all, everything is good. So that one, maybe we just reconnect and let's go once again. Sign out. Cool. Now it looks like signing out. Let's go back. Romantic.developer.stream. Yeah, looks good. To view this page. Interesting. Overview, and if you go to that YouTube helper, we have here romantic.developerstreamgmail.com. What is start chat? Is it Teams? SAP. Okay. Yeah, looks like I couldn't assign new user to that project for some reason. It's member. I'm doing my romantic developer as owner of that only team. And if you go like project administrators, you should see it here. Yeah. And it's still one table to access it. Yes. Oh, okay. Maybe we need to add it to the some. Oh, you know what? Maybe just required to take some time before, but it's have no sense. They send out notifications. And so let's see if I have something like projects. Projects. Do I have like tortoise clone? Oh, I have. So if I go here to repo and I set clone, copy, then go here, copy projects YouTube helper. Okay. And we will see that it's cloning. Romantic developer stream gmail.com. Okay. Yes, and it could clone that project. Cool. So it's a new, like it's fresh computer. I never worked with that project on that computer. So of course we could do the very similar things with from Visual Studio itself, Visual Studio Code. I'd say open folder, I'd say open file, okay. Select folder. Okay, and now probably we need to install some extension. Show recommended. C#, Azure Functions, DevKit, Docker, Notepad++. Okay, I never used Git Lens in Visual Studio Code before. Let's look at it. Okay, I see that it happened 9 months ago. Open preview. Okay, we'll fix that. To update DB model from SQL request, update the SQL database from DB model. Open. I haven't .NET SDK here. And we will try to use probably 8. Yes. Okay. So let's see what can it find. Does it do it as well? Downloading. Okay. Opening in 10 seconds. Do we have anything here in workboards? Oh, yes. So let's install it. DB schema. Yeah, last year. Yeah, as you see, not much details here. Okay. Okay, let's see how far we from installing .NET SDK. Okay, it says it's already fine. Let's try to restart that. So as we know, we installed our project in Romantic Developer Projects directory. Projects. So let's start Visual Studio Code in the directory folder. Okay, and we can try to execute .NET once again because it's already failed to restore negative packages for that solution. Show error. Welcome. Error projects wasn't found. Okay, solutions not found, but projects are here, CS Proj, and we have that solution helper. Let's see what other errors do we have. Notifications. Nice, it shows the projects. So now I need to remember how I built it. So most probably here I should have some readme. No readme. What if I said build from here? Okay. .NET build helper NuGet targets error. The project file wasn't found. So it shows some related passes, yes? And we created our project in some folder name, which may be not so nice. Let's try to rename it. Oh, the name. YouTube AI helper. AI helper. Okay, let's try to close it. Okay, let's see. Oh, yeah, if it will be welcome. No release notes as of now. So YouTube helper, solution explorer, build. Yeah, so most probably just don't like the file path. Okay. I forgot to check if I have any comments. Most probably no. So to nicely work with that project, it has the main web interface, like here, and it has, okay, it has web interface and views like here, like index view. It shows just welcome. It has some secure page which show a lot of information about files, and it's mix of Russian, Ukrainian, and English. So yeah, I haven't decided in which language I want to create it. And yeah, it has some controllers which try to log in user, and then it's secure page, which basically a page which do something. It's create file task, upload files, and that's it. And when it says new file, text, it's returning file details, download full file, upload large file, Oh, I'm not sure we are using that actually. Then we upload it to blob storage. And yeah, basically that interface just upload file to the blob storage. All other steps are done into function, basically Azure functions which process that file based on their triggers. Yeah, it was my learn time about that because normally I'm not working. So we have trigger convert file. Once file uploaded, we have blob trigger, source blob container stream for each file. Processing blob. And then we just get the file and we try to find ffmpeg and just process the file to extract some, executing some command which basically extract that all file content as mp3. And then once we could process that file, find or create and update file async, we just upload it into the output blob, and output we just took output blob container where we just upload mp3 file. Then once we upload file, we trigger whisper, and once we process the whisper, we upload results into again some container, and then we just should be function and there should be function to execute whisper file. Audio transcriptions, okay. That receive full text, update file, and in update file we just files update file, save changes async. Oh, it looks like I actually need to switch to my different computer because that is not full program here. It have no sense to update those unless I create the latest one and then I could refactor, add new functionality and deploy. But again, I did it as exercise because I was quite inspired like 9 months ago, and now I remember mostly nothing about it. So yeah, probably it would be a good exercise for me to tomorrow, because for today I think it's 2 minutes to midnight. Yeah, okay, I will wrap up the stream. As you probably see my chat and my comments on recent streams, right now I'm sharing my reflections, I share my experience, and now I'm just trying to do some helpful things which help me to do the work I want to do just more faster. So I want to optimize something because I'm too lazy to do it every day myself. And just a small reminder, I have some program which could transcribe video files and run some predefined OpenAI comments on that. So basically it will, for each file it transcribe it, and then using the transcription it create video description for YouTube with video sections, keywords, title, proposition, how to create image for thumbnail, and so on and so on. I'm just going to make it even more interesting. It should, or I should upload not file but just link from my video, and it should download it, transcribe, and do everything else. Or maybe if I could say it to check maybe my YouTube channel from time to time, and once I have any new stream or any new video, it should do it automatically. It would be pretty cool. And then I just need to log in and see what it's proposing and just say confirm. If not confirm, just change it slightly and then click confirm. So I'm hoping to do that. It will help me a lot. And also I remember some of C# development and Visual Studio Code, Azure, because at the moment I work with different technologies, let's say, and those technologies, they were my first technologies when I started work as developer. So I tend to be quite romantic about them. So that's why I'm starting to do that on this stream. So if you have any questions, if you want to discuss something or just support me, just drop a comment into the comment section below the video, or don't drop. It's up to you. I wish everyone who is watching me or will be watching and recording a good time of your day. I wish you to lose less energy. So not lose energy which you shouldn't lose. Live a happy life, create cozy environment in your heart and around yourself. Give your loved ones love and acceptance, and be more wise than you used to be. So just be more and more wiser every day, and hopefully everything would be fine. That universe is beautiful and full of miracles. See you later. I'm going to do my streams on every day 10 p.m. and hopefully you could join one of those streams if you want. Is that it? Goodbye.